So instead of getting a plug, I'm getting a patch to strengthen the tire a little more because I don't want to get new tires at the moment. Look, and this is the one no one wants to ever do. You know, the side one, because then it's going to get a little bubble right there. But if you patch it from the inside, it should last longer because I want to get good tires when I go. I don't want to. So this is what you have to do with these cars in this town with nails sticking out. Look at that. This is the one that's going to be a problem. But I do plan on putting that green slime stuff in the tire so that the guy was saying it's going to destroy my sensor. But New York City is just so many nails, it's just ridiculous. Look at that. I'm doing a video for YouTube. You guys go to YouTube? You go on YouTube? Yeah, let me see that. The patch. How? Look at that. See, it's not the plug, it's the patch. They charge $50 per patch. You know, I'm from the Bronx. We pay like $20 for that, tops. But when in Rome, I'm in Brooklyn, so it's okay. I'll do it. And then the place is so clean, I gotta pay a little more for a clean place like this. You know, in the dirty, nasty places, I'd have been like, nah, come on. But this place is too clean for me to start bitching and moaning about the price. Look at that. This is the one that's the problem, right here. Look at that. Wow. That got the problem. Then the man was saying that my sensors, when I put that green slime, it's gonna expand onto the sensors. Watch your ears. How much are you filling them up with? ¿Cuánto pesa? 35? Yeah, 35. That's perfect. I'm gonna need a new tire in a couple of months. But this will hold me for a few months. I'm just not in a rush to put any new tires on this vehicle. I'm about to trade this bad boy in. Get out of this car. But the place is so clean, I paid the extra. Look at that. Vacuuming the damn dirt. I love it.
What's the size of the tire? Stay over there. Stay over there. Don't worry about it, puppy. What is it? car, she was coming in to fix it, and the tire just blew out. Now I gotta take the tire there and call roadside assistance. Yeah, that's fine. Now you're gonna put it to the 250? Hold on, you're gonna text it to the model right now?
Ooh. That's that side one right there. Vaya. Yeah, you know, I'm about to trade this car in. I'm not trying to buy new tires for this car. You know, and I see you got a whole bunch of new tires you are definitely trying to push. I should have walked in here with y'all. Because they called me from the car. I said, hey, come take a look. You got 2 holes here. Might as well. Look, are they trying to push tires in here? They're not plugging tires. They changed it. I see what's going on, but it's all right. The streets got to eat.
Right now, and they're in the highway. They blew out. I'm gonna take the tire now. There, they were gonna come here. They were trying to.
Thank you for watching. Just another day in a city where it's going to cost you money to make it. It's $50 per patch. There are 4 patches, so $100. My Cash App is $ Elvis Rosenberg. So if you want to help out, you are appreciated. Boom.